Bonjour, let's practice this A1 level dialogue together. I'll be saying the text in red and you will be saying the text in blue. But first I'm going to go through the full transcript with you. Then I will translate it and then you will have a go. Now remember that I'm red and you will be the blue part. Here is the full dialogue. Bonjour, ça va? Salut, oui, ça va bien. Et toi? Ça va, merci. Dis-moi, quels sont tes passe-temps? J'aime lire des livres et écouter de la musique. Et toi? Moi, j'aime faire du sport et regarder des films. Tu fais quel sport? Je joue au tennis le week-end. Super! Moi, je préfère le foot. Ah oui, tu joues souvent? Oui, je joue tous les samedis avec mes amis. C'est bien. Bon, à bientôt. À plus. So, how was that? How much of it did you understand? Now, remember, this is of A1 level. So this is quite simply, we are working at the beginner's level here. I'm going to try to be as slow as possible and take your time when you're going to say your lines. But first of all, let's have a look at the full dialogue again and translate each line at a time. So I say, bonjour, ça va? Hello, how are you? Ça va? To this you say, salut, oui, ça va bien. Et toi? Now, salut is another way of saying hello. We say hi, salut. Oui is yes and non is no. Yes, ça va bien. To this you could have said ça va. I'm okay, ça va. Et toi and you? Ça va. Merci, I'm okay, ça va. Merci. Merci is thank you. Dis-moi, quels sont tes passe-temps? Now this is a question starting with quel, as in which or what. What are your hobbies? Quels sont tes passe-temps? Tes passe-temps. Now, dis-moi means tell me. Tell me, actually, tell me. Quels sont tes passe-temps? To this you say, j'aime lire des livres et écouter de la musique. Et toi? Now, j'aime lire, I like to read, or I like reading books, des livres, et, and, écouter, listen or listening, de la musique, to music. And you, et toi? Moi, j'aime faire du sport et regarder des films. Me, as for me, I like sports. Faire du sport is to do sports. Et regarder, to watch films, des films. Tu fais quel sport? What sports do you do? Now, to this we could have said, quel sport fais-tu as well, okay? Because we have different ways of saying questions in French. And I cover all of that in my full course at learnfrenchwithalexa.com. Just saying. Tu fais quel sport? To this I say, je joue au tennis le week-end. I'm sure you gather what that means. I play, je joue. I play tennis at the weekend. Weekend is the same word. Super! Moi, je préfère le foot. Again, this is not a complex sentence. Je préfère, I prefer foot. Ou je préfère jouer au foot. I prefer to play football. Ah, oui, tu joues souvent? Oh yes. Do you often play? Do you play often? Tu joues souvent? To this we could have said, est-ce que tu joues souvent? Another way of asking question. Tu joues souvent? Can you see how we ask the question here? You play often, and we raise the voice at the end. Oui, je joue tous les samedis avec mes amis. Yes, I play every Saturday with my friends. Now, have a look at the way we say every, so tous les. tous les samedis, tous les mardis, and so on for the days of the week, okay? To this I say, c'est bien. Bon, à bientôt. That's nice. Well, see you soon. I've had enough. See you soon. À bientôt. But we could say salut as well as hello. We can say salut as well as for goodbyes. À plus. See you soon. So à plus is like saying see you later. À plus. More. At more. That's the literal translation. But that means see you later. Okay, so we've translated the full dialogue. How do you feel about it? We're going to repeat it one more time, but let's not rush it. You can be as slow as you want, okay? So remember, I start because I'm red and you're blue. You will do the line in blue. Here we go. Bonjour, ça va? Ça va, merci. Dis-moi, quels sont tes passe-temps? Moi, j'aime faire du sport et regarder des films. Je joue au tennis le week-end. Ah oui? Tu joues souvent? C'est bien. Bon, à bientôt. Now remember that there is a support guide attached to this video if you click on the join button. Check out my full playlist of Speak French with Me videos here and practice with me. And registration is currently open for my speaking practice sessions, so take a look at them in the description below or go to my website learnfrenchwithalexa.com. À bientôt. Au revoir. Bisous bisous.